Yeah, what up? It's your boy Ginia George, man. 1.5 SOV, Summer VA, free my nigga Ginia Bread, man. You already know what it is. I'm out this joint holding it down. Right now, I'm doing a little something for the ladies, you feel what I'm saying? You know, I'm gonna rock that joint for you this morning, man. I ain't got shit to do, man. Boy, you feel what I'm saying? Raining outside. So, I'm gonna spit this little shit for the ladies right quick. You know what I mean? You go a little something like this. Yeah, 'cause I love the ladies. You should know already. But, check it. She love me 'cause I'm laid back and got her pushing made back. The money don't impress her. She told me I should say that. Made me see a difference. She ain't like them other bitches, even though she very jealous. Man, she bad for a nigga. So I'm headed to a crib with some loud and Moscato. To top it all off, I bought some chicken and some waffles. She greet me with a smile, a kiss, then a hug. Looking like an angel that was sent from above. Told her I like the pictures that she sent me on Twitter. The ones on the Facebook, she paid me all in them. But I can't get mad 'cause she digging my swag and loving my composure, man. But only 'cause she bad, man. But only 'cause she bad. The way she working, twerk that ass. The way she dropping, pop her fast. Put the popping on her head. Walking around in the panties, you should see them chicks clapping. Take the pictures to me earlier to make me stop rapping. Yeah, but that's just a little something, man. You know what I mean? I might have fucked up a little bit and reading this shit off the phone and shit. You know what I mean? But you know alright though. You know what I mean? A little something slick for the ladies. You know what I mean? The real ones, man. You know what I mean? Verse 2. Check it out. Go a little something like this. Girl, I'm used to doing wrong, so I'm trying to do right. Getting in the crib, so we going out tonight. Baby throwing something nice, the moonlight so bright. And you the shining star that came and brighten up my life. Everything about her Gucci, even though her frame's Louis. While she rolling up the sticky, I'ma pop another Stewie double stack. Got 1,000 packs on me right now. Quarterback, I can hit you with some numbers right now. Man, but later though, I'm hanging with my lady right now. And we vibing, so I probably won't make it cross town. She pulling on dance floor, ripping on my jeans. Lap dance, rapping like the one in my dreams. I let her wish she twerk that, work that. Throw it back on me, I'ma hurt that, murk that. She got me so horny, she a flirt, so I flirt back. Damn, I really want it, and she can tell by the way I grind on it in the corner. Yeah, man, but that's just a little something. I ain't even crank the hook. This is just some new shit I'm working on, man. Stay in tune, man. Ginia George at Red Giovanni on Twitter. Hit your boy up, man. Fuck with me. Summer VA on Reverb Nation on YouTube. You know what I mean? We learn this shit, man. Fuck with your boy. Y'all already know. I love you.